بنهاي خواهي قولوا مهربان جماعة لم فيديو باسي cardiovascular examination بتعبتي auscultation أكين ولاني مشانا بتعبتي ماشي نسب باسي دباري مرمر. To start, as a basic, we have 4 areas to auscultate in the heart, in the precordium. Starting from mitral area, which there's apex and tricuspid area, pulmonary and aortic area. So to start with, we have normally S1 and S2 sound. And murmur is any abnormal sound, whooshing or whistling sound. يعني دنيكي abnormal وهو turbulent blood flow دروس a bit. بولوش تيا يعني إما دابش يكين بواسن كاري خمان يعني لأنه systolic يعني diastolic murmur ومرمراني لنواني S1 and S2, and those murmurs between S1 and S2 are called systolic, and those murmurs are between S2 and the next S1 are called diastolic murmur. For that, we use this word, I don't know how do you like to pronounce, but ASMR represents the systolic murmur, AS and MR. Aortic stenosis you heard in the aortic area in the right second intercostal space, and MR you heard in the mitral area. And what's left from this mnemonic is mostly they are diastolic, like AR and MS. Now moving on with that, AS and MR both are systolic. This one is ejection and this one is pansystolic. We have 2 radiations for these 2 systolic murmur. For example, if you auscultate the aortic area and you hear this whooshing or whistling sound in the systolic phase of the cardiac cycle, then you are going to auscultate the carotid area because the murmur of AS will radiate to the carotid area. And maybe you hear this sound in the carotid area, and this will confirm you that this is the aortic stenosis. And for murmur of MR, this systolic as well, this pansystolic will radiate to the axillary area. And then if you hear any murmur in this side and you checked pansystolic murmur, and you check the axilla for radiation of the mitral regurgitation. Now talking about diastolic murmur, for diastolic we have 2 maneuvers that help us accentuate the sound. يعني do different maneuver, do different شوازهن بويواب كان أمدو مرمرة زياد كات. For MS, you ask the patient to the left lateral position, and then you check the pulmonary, the mitral area as well. And you do MS, patient takali for the left lateral position, and you take a deep breath in and out, and hold it on expiration. Then you auscultate the mitral area, and you're gonna hear MS more louder, and this will help this will make the murmur louder. And regarding AR, you ask the patient again. AR you hear it in this area, like in the tricuspid area. You ask the patient to sit up and lean forward, then take a deep breath in and exhale fully, and hold his breath. Then you check the tricuspid area, and you're gonna hear AR much louder. The maneuvers for the diastolic murmur help you and make the murmur louder and accentuate the murmur and help you hear it clearly. Make it more audible for you. Now again, to take a quick recap of what we already said. We have 2 different murmurs, systolic and diastolic murmur. Systolic murmurs we memorize by this word ASMR, and what's left is diastolic. In systolic murmur we have 2 radiation, one for AS radiates to the carotid area, and MR will radiate, MR in the apex area will radiate to the axilla. Regarding diastolic murmur, we have two different maneuvers to accentuate. One, for MS, ask the patient to the left lateral position, as you see in this patient. And for AR, you ask the patient to sit up and lean forward, and then you're going to hear both louder. I hope it make it more clear and you get it regarding cardiovascular examination. Till next lesson, and wish you all the best.